Hey y'all, come make my favorite meal with me without the pigtail because my family members don't eat pigtail. Alright, so first we gotta wash the peas because the peas dirty bad. Like, look at this water after washing them. Then some fresh water, put it to simmer with your seasonings. These are the seasonings I'll be using in the pot today. So everything's in there, just gonna add some garlic to the pot. And I'm gonna start off by scalding my, what's it called again? Salted beef, because I use a salt beef. Then I'm cleaning up my turkey neck because turkey neck is my second favorite meal. So I have to put in my stew peas, especially since I don't have the pigtail. Always strip these stuff off the turkey neck. I don't know what it's called, but it makes it not smell as raw anymore. Then my pea has been simmering for around 20 or 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna put the turkey neck. After I done clean it up, then I'm gonna wash it with the vinegar, put some season on, then put it to pressure. So me personally, I don't like pressure in my peas. I like to cook it out, and I feel like it gives it this rich color when I cook it. So that's why I didn't put it in the pressure pot with them turkey neck. By the way, I am not a cook, a chef. I don't even like cooking. I was just making this like everybody know the old time you go catch me a cook. I have me a cook stew peas or turkey neck. So I decided to record. And I also think I'm just gonna record whatever else I'm making sometimes and probably post it, but don't look for a lot of food videos. And don't come bombard me and tell me I saw it go and I saw it go. I saw me cook it. And I saw me like it. And I saw my family like it when I cook it. So it is what it is. So season up that now, and we're gonna put it, I think I'm gonna put some oil in there now. Yeah, so after I season up, I'm gonna put the oil. Then I'm gonna use fresh water and some of the water from the peas to cook it down. By the way, this is my first time ever cooking with a pressure pot. I usually slow cook it, but my sister got a crock pot and I was by their house. So I'm like, let me just try this. So that's why I did it this way today. So I didn't even realize that I wasn't supposed to put the oil in there because I already got spring some oil, but it still worked out fine. So here I am putting in the stew beef now, the salt beef, into the pressure pot to pressure those together. Then my sister came over and helped me with the crock pot because I never know me I do. So here's the peas.
Peas well cooked, you know. Somebody just asked me if I said, well, stew peas. I like a lot of peas in my stew peas. Stewed peas, right? So I want the peas I meat. So, yeah. But this is one from us to eat. I'm so what a person do because it have a little stem on it. What is this? Not that.
So I do not eat chicken foot, but my sisters and my other family members they do. So I'm like, all right, I'll put it in there for them. So my sister said the chicken foot will take like 10 minutes to pressure. So we did this last and added to the last 10 minutes with pressure in the turkey neck and the beef. Now I'm adding my coconut milk to the peas and I'm gonna let that cook while the pressure pot is still going. So I'm gonna add all my seasonings. So don't judge me, it's what was left in the fridge. I didn't know that we didn't have those stuff when I went to buy the things I needed in the morning. So I just use what I have, which was just a little bit of scallion, some thyme and a pepper. I like to put carrot and onion in their stew peas. I don't, probably because I'm not a fan of onion and I don't like carrot in my stew peas, so I don't put it in there. Of course, what kind of stew pizza can cook without spinners, right? So I had to get there and knead up my flour and put my spinners in my pot. So all this is going on still while the meat is cooking. So here we go, gonna check to see if it's ready. And I think it was ready at this time. Yeah, it was ready. So now we're gonna add it to the pot. And I believe this was it. No, it wasn't it. 20 more minutes, please.